Hello, this is Arthur Hill with StockCharts.com. It is Thursday, April 24, and you're tuned into Don't Ignore This Chart. All right, today I want to show you a chart on Juniper Networks, but first I want to show you how I came across this chart. If you go to the StockCharts home page, you will find some tables near the bottom. So here I am on the home page, and I'm just going to scroll down to the lower half, and there you can see the first tables, and we have the most active list at the top. We have the most active for the NYSE and the NASDAQ and the Toronto, and then a little bit further down we have the StockCharts Technical Rank tables, and these are for large caps, ETFs, and Toronto stocks. And so what I like to do is I like to go to these lists and click up on the top up or top down. And in this instance, I've clicked on top up, and that shows me the biggest gainers for the StockCharts Technical Rank. And I noticed that Juniper was one of the biggest gainers. And you can also get a perf chart or even a candle glance chart for all 10 of these stocks, which is really handy if you want to find out quickly how the charts look. So that's what I did. I looked at the candle glance charts, and then I singled out Juniper. Now, a lot of times when the StockCharts Technical Rank makes a big surge, it's often because there's been a huge gap or you got some breakout or a monster new high. But sometimes the stock is just holding up better relative to the market, and I think that's the case with Juniper today. It's up over 1% in a relatively mixed market, and that was early trading on Thursday morning. And looking at the chart, it's pretty interesting here because you can see we had this breakout here, and this breakout was of course part of a big move from early November until late January. And after this advance, the stock was clearly overbought and needed to digest these gains, and it did this with a correction, kind of a zigzag lower over the last 3 months, and it's formed a falling channel. And what caught my interest is you have this harami here in mid-April and a little bounce and then a pullback. And you can see we're near this channel trend line. And if we break out here, I think that's going to end the channel. It will reverse that 3-month downtrend and signal a continuation of the bigger uptrend. And in the indicator window, you can see the SCTR. It's making that big move. It was below 70, and now it's above 80. And it's been above 50 almost all year. You can see it was just at the very beginning. Sorry, it has been above 50 all year. And that's been since the early part of December. So it is showing lots of relative strength. All right, that concludes this little video on Juniper and the StockCharts Technical Rank. Thanks very much for tuning in, and have a great day.